Hi everyone. Today we're going to do this balance and coordination gentle home workout, which we put together specifically for our seniors to help prevent falls. It can be done anywhere in your home. You could perhaps do it holding on to a kitchen worktop or a sturdy chair. Or today we're in the middle of the sunshine of the dark wall valleys and we're going to have to hold on to each other. Right, let's get started.
Okay.
Over to you, Ad.
Good, gladly. Right, here we go. First exercise then is just for your hips, okay? We're going to lift our legs, one leg up to the side, down, the other leg up. Carolyn, as usual, is doing the wrong leg.
I'll go back in line.
That's it. That one.
Good start.
You can use your arms to balance, but try and keep your body straight. You can hold my hand if you want to.
Yeah.
Out to the side. That's it. It's doing very well. Last 20 seconds. Hopefully without falling over.
It's a bit uneven this ground, isn't it?
Certainly is. And stop. Okay, well done. Next exercise is just going to be, you need to hold on this one again, dear. Is swinging your leg up and down behind you. So leg up, down behind you. Try and do 10. Right, we're on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and swap legs. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And stop. Just relax for a second. Okay. Next one is knee lifting with tapping your knee with your alternate arm. So let me show you first of all. So it's there to there. There. Nice and slowly. Under control. Carolyn thinks she's swimming. Here we go. Here we go. High as you can with your knees without putting any strain on you, or as low as you're comfortable. Couple more. Keep going. Keep going. Hold on. Well done.
We need us balance.
Yeah, it's for your balance, this, so that's why I do it nice and slowly so you maintain your balance. Okay, last 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, next exercise using the bricks is again balancing. You probably need to hold onto a chair or a work surface so that you don't fall over. We've got the added problem of being on uneven ground, so if we do rock a little bit, don't panic. Hopefully we won't fall over. Right, here we go. Tap to the front, over, back, and change legs.
I've got it now.
Back. By George, you've got it.
Takes a while.
Almost looks as if we know what we're doing here.
We do. We're balancing. You don't fall, will we?
Certainly not.
Walking the streets. Climbing pavements. It's making us keep our feet up.
Yep, you've got to lift your legs up. Oh,
you did.
I'm in trouble. Knock my brick over. Okay, here we go. Pause up though.
Yeah.
One more.
Yeah, one more. Why not? Perfect.
And stop.
Right.
Okay, you don't need the bricks for the next one.
We'll move those to one side then.
So you remove mine. And this one, we just maybe need balance again. It's just standing on one leg. So you lift your leg up to the back, hold it while you count 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then swap legs. Here we go. Most people are happier on one leg than the other. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and change. And last ones.
Yep.
Here we go. Right leg up this time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. And the last time on the left. High as you like or as low as you like, as long as you're comfortable.
Yes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs down.
Oh,
And then just relax.
brilliant.
And we're going to have a little water break now. Okay?
Back in a minute.
Okay, after our water break, we're ready for our next exercise, which is arms folded in front of you. And we're going to turn our shoulders and our neck to the right, then the left. Nice and slowly, as far round as you can go, because you find as you get older, you can't turn your neck round quite as far. Okay, nice and gentle. Just hold it for a second, and then back. Head round, so you're looking to your left, looking to your right. Nice and slowly. Good for your shoulders, good for your neck, and also for your hips as well. Hello, nice to see you. We're out of time again.
It's all right.
But we do get to see each other.
Yeah. Okay. How many more?
Well, I think we should stop there.
Well done.
Well done. Okay, if you've got there, just jog out a little bit. Next one, legs shoulder width apart. What we're going to do is we're going to reach up onto our toes as high as we can, and then down. Up, down, up, up, down. Good for our shoulders, good for our legs, good for our hips, good for our core. We'll be so fit after this.
It's good for our balance too.
Oh, and balance. Yeah, that's a bonus.
On this bumpy ground. Beautiful that it is.
Okay, last 10.
10.
You can do as many as you like. Sometimes we go by timing. We do a minute's worth, or we do 20, or 25, or 10 if you're just starting. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And stop. Well done.
Brilliant.
Okay. Next exercise. We're going to do arm raising. Lateral arm raising. Up we go. Without hitting each other. And down. Up. 2, 3. Try and keep your back straight. And head up. You should really feel this in your shoulders. I can already.
Yeah, I certainly can.
Going a little bit fast, nice and slowly, because you're working on the way up and the way down. Just up to shoulder height, not above your head.
Breathing deeply in.
Never forget to breathe. Ready for the last 5? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's an extra one. Well done. Well done. As you've got your arms at your side, next one we're going to do is just reaching over, stretching our side. If you can go down as far as your knees, that's great, but just as far down as you feel comfortable. Don't lean forward or backwards. Try and keep your body straight. Just leaning to the left and to the right. And just stretching those side muscles.
Oh. And don't forget, if you're completely new to exercises, you must check with your doctor first that you're physically able to do them. They're very simple, gentle exercises, but if you're unsure, it's best to.
If you've never done any exercise before, then you start very gently and gradually build up, providing it's safe for you to do so.
And if you're enjoying it, please don't forget to subscribe. There's an arrow to how to do it below in some parts of the video. It's totally free, and you don't have to give any personal details over.
Last 5 again. 5, 4, 3, 2.5, 2, 1, and stop.
Lovely.
There we go. Right, into the last couple of exercises now.
Yep.
Again, arms out in front. We're just going to be pushing out backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards.
Brilliant. All for those bingo wings.
Yep, very good. Your bingo wings.
Should I be doing this slowly or does it matter?
As long as it's not too fast, okay? You're not Muhammad Ali. You're Karo. Okay, after 30 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to change it up to go up and down, up and down. 30 seconds of this.
You can feel those muscles working, my joints creaking a bit.
Okay, last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Well, thank you very much for joining us. That's the end of today's session. We're glad you joined us here out in the countryside in Dartmoor. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to keep exercising. You need strength, mobility, and balance as you get older. Okay, thank you very much.
Right, bye-bye.
And we're not heard of 12.
Oh, why not?
We're not heard of 12.
That's
Okay, only one.
right.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe.